So we did a factorial ANOVA, and we have a significant effect somewhere. If the interaction is not significant, then we're going to treat everything like one-way ANOVAs and do post-hoc tests like Tukey's or Games Howell or Chaffee on the independent variables just like we did last time. But if the interaction is significant, we get to create simple effects. So we're looking at pairwise comparisons on our interactions. This is different because with the one-way ANOVA, we would be looking at just the difference between male and female groups all the way down. Or we would be looking at the differences between the online classes, the traditional, and the hybrid. But because there's an interaction, we now have to look at all possible combinations. We're going to do this using SPSS Syntax. This is kind of a pain sometimes, so here's some tips. First of all, copy and paste this exact part, this exact wordings. Open up a new syntax file, insert that exact text, and press play button. If you're going to use this for other data sets, you're going to replace the word perform with whatever exact wording your dependent variable is. Type car and city were our two independent variables, so you're going to replace those with exact names, and then you can press play. This is going to give you a lot of different tables. Many of them are repeats from the factorial ANOVA we already did. So again, you'll go to File, New, Syntax. You can do this on any of the open documents. Put in the information and then hit the play button. That's going to run all the different tables, and this is the one that you really care about, the pairwise comparisons. So you're going to scan down just like we did with the other post-hoc tests, look for where the differences lie. Scan over here and see that Chicago has both of the differences. So if you have a typical car or a green car, those are where your differences lie. You will, of course, go back and look at the means of each of these individual groups. So the green Chicago cars, the typical Chicago cars. See which mean is higher. That tells you the direction of the effect. Is it green cars are higher? Is it typical cars are higher? And then you will use the Cohen's d to give an effect size for the individual difference as well.